Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is just a beginner friendly on how I pluck my curly lace frontals. So as you can see, I've started already. Basically it's just one of those videos you just watch for a minute and that's it really. If you want a full video on how I pluck them with detail, I can put the link down below. But yeah, just enjoy the video and basically this is how I do it.
About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be epic.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the hair here. This is hair from, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Sunber Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of 18 inches. I used all 3 bundles. So this is what the hair looks like, all brushed out. Good, I'm just gonna try and cut some layers. I've never done this. So, oh, that was a lot. So I'm just gonna try and, yeah, probably this is not the way to do it, but okay, I'm just gonna give up on that. I don't know what I'm doing. so yeah, this is how I pluck. That's how I pluck my curly wigs. It's really simple, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna see how this hair looks while it's wet. I really want to see how it looks while it's wet. It could do some layering. I don't know what is going on here. Let me bring it all forward. Yeah, it definitely could do some layering. I don't know how to layer, guys, so I'm just not even gonna bother attempt. But it definitely could do some layering. This hair is beautiful. They said it's deep wave, but I'd say it's more on like the kinky curl. I haven't glued down the lace. I just wanted to try this wig on and see how it looks, but I do really like this hair. It's beautiful. Let me show you the back. So I'm just gonna spray the hair. Come on. Ah, where am I? All right. So yeah, the curls do bounce right back, as you can see. Beautiful curls. So yeah, so this is the hair. I just wanted to show you. I'm just gonna puff it back up, and I know when it dries it's gonna be huge. But yeah, the hair is very nice. It's beautiful. It's a 2 thumbs up from me. I wouldn't class it as deep wave though. I don't think so anyways. Frontal was very easy to pluck. I find that was the easiest frontal to ever pluck. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.